5 Spring Manis, featuring our spring collection. Garden Pearlies. This is what you'll need. Okay, start off with a sheer base. Line and fill a French tip with the shade Garden. Once you're done, apply 1 to 2 coats of our Pure Stick base coat to prep the nails for your pearls. To pick up each pearl easier, attach sticky tack to your dotting tool and apply 4 tiny pearls staggered on each nail. Top your mani with the Gel Shine top coat for longevity, and you're done. Peachy Squiggles. Here's what you'll need. Start off with 1 to 2 coats of our Pure Stick base coat and create small squiggly shapes with the shade Bellini. Here's a tip. Try to fit 2 different shapes on each nail for a negative space look. Seal the pattern with our Gel Shine top coat, and you're done. Mini smiley faces. Here's what you'll need for the look. Start off with a sheer base on top of our Pure Stick base coat. Use the shade Sunday and a small brush to paint on little yellow circles. Use a black shade to create a small curve and 2 dots as the eyes and mouth. Apply the Gel Shine top coat to seal your mani, and you're done. Half and halves. This is what you'll need. Start off with our base coat and Bellini base. With a thin brush, use the shade Rom-Com and draw a squiggly line in the middle of your nail. Fill in 1/2 of the nail with Rom-Com. Seal your mani with our Gel Shine top coat, and you're done. Here's a bonus nail look, Spring Florals. Here's what you'll need. Apply a sheer base coat and paint on French tips with 5 different Orosa shades. Apply 2 to 3 flower stickers on each nail from the Moonlight Florals pack. Top your mani with the Gel Shine top coat for longevity. And you're done. You can grab all these shades at orosabeauty.com.